more fun than shopping back home. It's like couture collection. Now, if we were back home, to try on a piece of jewelry like this, we would have to go into, a vault inside a safe. You'd have to have security guards around you. What is going on? But what I wanted to show you is this is a diamond band that's actually exclusive.
You feeling good? Good. So here, this place is called the Schooner Bar, and I might disappointed you because I do not play piano, but there is someone else who plays this piano really, really well. His name is David, and he's gonna play almost every evening over here in the Schooner Bar for you. He's fun. It's like improv comedy. So just pass. So for tomorrow on the laser tag, you will find it's Europe, it's Australia, it's Alaska, so many destinations. So that's deck number 6 over there. Moving on, I still did not figure out the place where are we actually located. Hi guys, welcome aboard. You feeling good? Good. So here, this place is called the Schooner Bar, and I might disappointed you because I do not play piano, but there is someone else who plays piano really, really well.